Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make 2 different dips that are super easy and will be a big hit at any party you get invited to. First, we're going to do cheesy bacon ranch dip. We start with a block of cream cheese. I left this out of the fridge for an hour or 2 ahead of time just to let it get softened so it's easier to work with. Then you use a tablespoon of ranch seasoning mix. Now this is kind of a small batch of dip. If you wanted to, you can easily double it if you have a big crowd coming. Then you use a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You can buy the pre-shredded, which I usually do most of the time, but when we're doing something like this, I bought ahead of time a block of cheese and shredded it myself. I think it's a better flavor, and when you're making something like this with so few ingredients, I think it's worth it to take the time to shred it yourself. And some bacon. I took just pre-cooked bacon, heated it up to make it extra crispy, and then cut it into pieces. But you could also use bacon bits. That's faster and easier. And now you just stir this all up. Now I'm just going to put this into a smaller dish and put it in the fridge to let it sit for an hour or so, just so all the flavors have time to come together. Next up, we're going to make dill pickles. I love pickles. We start with another block of cream cheese. Again, softened. I took it out of the fridge just an hour or so ago. Then you mix in a cup of chopped up dill pickles. Chop them up as tiny as you can make it. Then 3 tablespoons of pickle juice. Great. A 1/4 cup of onion, diced up really, really tiny. Try to use a sweet onion if you have it. And you also, I cut it up as small as I could get it. You could use a grater if you wanted to make it extra small. And a teaspoon of dill. I have dried dill. If you have fresh dill out in the garden, go for it. And mix all of it together. Okay, everything is all mixed together, and just like with the other dip, we're gonna let it sit for an hour or so the flavors have time to get to know each other, and then you can serve it with, I have some pretzel rods, you could use crackers or veggies, whatever you have on hand. I can't wait to try these. It's gonna be hard to wait for the full hour.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.